Hey guys, it's Rink Chic and welcome back to my channel. This is Tablescape Tuesday and I have another $25 tablescape using Dollar Tree finds. And everything here came from Dollar Tree, as you know. The charger, well, first I draped the table with a black and white cotton duck fabric. It was $1, and it was not from Dollar Tree. It was from a fabric store that went out of business. And the charger is an old Dollar Tree charger that I got like 20 something years ago. And the black plate are in stock now at most Dollar Trees. And the gray, that gray plate. I'm not a gray person, but this was an attractive gray to me. So I went on and got the lunch plates. Now these figurines, these are so cute. This is a horse, and I got it over by the candle section. And so I just put that little LED light under there. I like to decorate with little figurines on my tables from time to time. And this smoky glass goblet is everything. I really think it is so sophisticated. You know, smoky glass. I've never had one before. And I really like the touch of elegance that it adds. And the centerpiece, this was also in this little mirror. It was in the candle section. I like that. And the pretty bud vase. It's so simple and elegant, and I don't know why I like it. I think because it's simply elegant. And I put a couple of sprays of white flowers. I got the lilies and the roses, and I had those in stock. And you can always, these are cool to just pull out when you are in a hurry. You're decorating in a hurry. Now there's another figurine here. This is like a bunny. So I put the tea light in the little groove there. I don't know, that's what works for me. I don't know if that's what it was meant for, but it fits in there nicely. So I just wanted to share with you guys my Dollar Tree finds and how I'm organizing it and how I'm scaping it and how I'm decorating with these things. You can $25 can go a long way, you know, if you have the right eye for detail. People ask me all the time, they say, Miss Tanya, I go to Dollar Tree all the time. I don't see all that stuff. How do you make it look so good? And like I said, I think you do have to have an eye and a vision when you see things and just have that decorator's eye. And so I'm just bringing you things, bringing people ideas so they can start developing, you know, an eye for certain things and still keeping money in your pocket. All right, you guys, so thank you so much. I appreciate your support so much, and would love for you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and share it. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.